This is why you need to secure your routers now. Your network could be vulnerable. A wave of new vulnerabilities in routers has surfaced, and it's critical to act fast. DrayTek routers, widely used in homes and businesses, have 14 newly discovered security flaws, 2 of which are rated as critical. What does this mean for you? Hackers could take control of your devices, steal data, and infiltrate your entire network. Scary, right? At Impress IT Solutions, we specialize in protecting your network from these exact threats. We provide comprehensive security audits, patch management, and network segmentation to keep you safe. The most alarming flaw? A buffer overflow in the web UI that has a perfect CVSS score of 10.0. This could lead to remote code execution, making your router a hacker's playground. Don't wait for an attack to happen. Reach out to Impress IT Solutions today and let us safeguard your network. Because in the world of IT, it's better to be safe than sorry.